Finally, today I am installing my Maui Waui locks from Maui Waui shop. Okay, so these are short DE locks, also known as double-ended locks. I absolutely love how realistic these look. Okay, I got them short, ombre. You can pretty much get them customized however you like. You just tell them how you want it. I'm just showing you guys how to install. I have plenty of installation videos of DE locks on my page if you'd like to check it out. But you just take a section, you split it in half, and you put the lock in between the two split sections and use one end of the lock as a third strand of a braid. Does that make sense? So you're just plaiting your hair onto the lock being the third strand. The other top piece, leave it alone. We're not getting to that yet. We're just braiding our hair around one end of the lock. This actually isn't you guys' first time seeing this brand on my site. At first, they were called Amelie Dreads, I believe, and they've rebranded as Maui Wowie. I was obsessed with those locks as well. I have to remind y'all what they looked like. That video will be linked in the description as well. Even other installation videos. But I really love this company. Their locks look very realistic. So once you're finished braiding, you're going to want to get a very nice sturdy elastic band to secure it. Oh, and you're probably wondering why my hair is purple. I will explain. Just give me a second. So once you're done with that, you're going to flip the other piece of the lock down and then you're done. And you just clip them away. Now I'm going in with some black hairspray because you guys, I'm gray. You see where the purple is? That's gray hair. I used an overtone dye and for some reason the black dye ended up turning purple on my gray, only on my gray strands. So I'm going in with some Style Edit spray and boom. I went for a more short look this time, carefree and realistic. You can get any length you want. Just, let them know. They can customize the locks. Once again, they can customize the locks to your liking, the thickness, the length, the texture, all of that, the colors. Just let them know. Now I'm going in with a hat to help them to lay down. Now, the shorter the lock, if you order short locks, they will stick up. So you have to put something on top of your head to help them to lay down. Okay, so how to order. You can go on their Instagram, Maui_Wowie.dreads. You can see more of their work here. And you can also find the Etsy shop in their bio. So when you click on it, you can kind of see some of the products that are already made and some are made to order. So when you order, they have to make them. And some of them are already made. Just depends. And I kept zooming in on these green ones because they are absolutely stunning. They are beautiful. But like I said, you can do a custom order. You can message the seller and they can do a custom order for you. The ones that I have are listed on there. And so not only can you select how many DE locks you want, you can also pick the centimeters, the length. If you want something different to happen with this look, you can once again message the seller and, talk things over however you want them to look. And keep in mind when they have to make these locks, be patient.